In this video, I will show you how to download Steam on your Windows PC or laptop. First things first, open up any web browser that you prefer. In the address bar of your browser, type in Steam and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to Steam. Look for the official link that reads Welcome to Steam followed by steam.steampowered.com. It's crucial to select this exact link to ensure you're downloading from a safe source. Once on the Steam homepage, locate an option called Install Steam. Click on it. Click on Install Steam again. This action will initiate the download process for the Steam setup file onto your PC or laptop. Once it's finished downloading, click on that file to launch the setup. If prompted by a security warning asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. Now it's time to complete the installation process. Follow along closely. Click Next. Select your preferred language. This ensures that all instructions and menus within Steam are displayed in a language you're comfortable with. You'll have an option here labeled Browse, which allows you to change where Steam will be installed on your computer. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the default installation location. Simply click Next. The installation process will now begin. Sit back and relax while Steam installs itself onto your Windows PC or laptop. Once installation is complete, click Finish. This action will automatically run Steam for you. Upon launching for the first time, Steam will check for updates and download them if necessary. Give it some time, this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After updating is complete, you'll be greeted by a sign-in screen. If you already have an account, simply enter your account name and password here and click Sign In. If you're new to Steam and don't have an account yet, no worries. You can easily create one by selecting Create a Free Account. For those who need guidance on creating an account step by step, there's a link in the description below directing you to another video specifically covering that topic. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to download and install Steam on your Windows PC or laptop. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.